Today, a judge has approved a request for consumptive evidence testing in the murder of Kelsey Barrett. Prosecutors securing the chance to test a tooth or a tooth fragment found on Patrick Frazee's property. He's accused of killing his fiancee, Kelsey Barrett. Our Sam Kramer in the courtroom today. He joins us with more.
The defense had objections to policies set by the Colorado Bureau of Investigation lab, which will conduct that testing in the coming weeks. But Judge Scott Sell says he viewed that protocol as necessary for preserving the process.
The item is a possible tooth fragment that was located in the search of the defendant's property.
We don't know exactly when they found it, but prosecutors will soon learn the DNA of a tooth or tooth fragment found at the Frazee ranch and made evident in previous court documents. The request granted by Judge Scott Sells Friday, denying objections from the defense about policies toward having an expert present for the testing.
One was a background check of the potential expert and buccal swabs of the expert, as well as you may have heard a lot of discussion about sample splits.
Testimony from a CBI forensic analyst revealed they will aim to extract DNA from the tooth. If the amount is large enough, then consumptive testing won't be necessary, as part of the sample would then be shared with the defense to conduct their own test. The ruling comes as prosecutors still have to decide whether to pursue the death penalty for Frazee, who faces 8 total charges for the murder of his fiancee, Kelsey Barrett.
By law, we have to make a decision within 9 weeks after his not guilty plea, which was just a couple weeks ago, and so we're still within that window of time.
If they choose to pursue the death penalty, they have until July 26th to file a motion. Frazee doesn't return to court until August 23rd for an all-day motions hearing in preparation for his murder trial. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. I'm Sam Kramer, News 5.